Okay, I guess we're doing this. So what's up guys, it's Zen. Welcome back to another YouTube video on my channel. So as you can tell, this is a slightly different video. I want to try something new. Maybe a few face-to-face or more vlog style videos in the future. And I guess this is a great way to sort of transition into that kind of videos, yeah? So I want to start off by saying thank you so much for all the support on my YouTube videos, my streams, and my trading academy. If you don't already know, I just started a new trading group called Zen Trading Academy. First link in the description. It's free. Make sure you're part of it. I post there almost every single day, and I'm trying to build a nice community of traders who are interested in day trading, either the stock market or even forex. So in this video, I'm going to talk about three main things. Okay? So how I started trading, why I still trade, and my plans for 2021. And before we get into the video, please help me smash the like button right down below and subscribe if you haven't. It really helps my channel grow, and it takes a lot of effort to make these videos, and I really appreciate if you could just help me tap the like button. Okay, so how I started trading is not your typical inspirational story. I'm just a normal guy working in a normal job, and one day I stumbled across day trading videos when I was searching up how to invest in the stock market. I actually wanted to start with investing, like fundamental analysis, that kind of stuff, right? The things that most people look into at first. But then day trading caught my attention, and I started to go down a rabbit hole and look for more and more resources for day trading. But unfortunately, I'm sure if you've tried to search for yourself, there's not much trading resources for bursa specifically. Most of them encompass the US stock market, and most of the bursa related stock videos are usually stock picks and more fundamental financial analysis instead of technical analysis and trading by order flow, let's say. So I started testing out different strategies that I found online, but most of them did not work in Malaysian stock market because we just didn't have the volatility. So I ended up trying out a few strategies for penny stocks because I thought it represented our stocks the most, because half the time the stocks that move are stocks that are getting pumped and dumped. So I tried to incorporate those strategies into bursa. So I actually found two strategies that worked consistently. And one of them is the breakout strategy, link in the top right if you haven't already watched it, and the other one is dip buying. So I took these two strategies and I put them to work over the past 6 months, and currently I am up almost $250,000. But it did not come without the hard work and hours. I spent 8 to 12 hours every single day in my first 2 months just to study the patterns, because I did not just land on this pattern. I actually tested 7 to 8 patterns, including typical indicators that you've heard of, MACD, RSI, right? So I tested all of those, back tested them really hard, and out of the 7 that I tested properly, only 2 came out to work. But 2 is really more than enough, right? All you need is one good strategy to keep repeating and you're set. So that's how I actually started day trading. Now, let's get into why I still trade. So, why do I still trade now? The answer should be quite simple, because it makes money, right? Honestly, I would say that chasing money itself is quite endless. There's not much fulfillment to it. I remember back then when I was aiming for 50,000 and I hit 50,000, and then I was like, okay, let's go for 100,000. Then I hit 100,000, and I move it to 150,000, hit 150,000, and move it to 200,000. It's never ending, right? I'm not saying it's not nice to have money. I'm saying that there's no fulfillment in chasing just the numbers, right? Most of the fulfillment that I got was when I realized I actually found a method that works. So that was my whole goal from the beginning, just to crack the code and find a way that actually works to make money off the market consistently. But after a certain point, it gets a bit boring. I started to lose the motivation to keep studying, to keep improving, because I was getting a bit complacent knowing that I found a method that works and I can just do this forever, right? But then I realized that I actually want to do more with this, and what better way to feel fulfilled than to help other people do this as well. Those who are interested in jumping into the stock market, or those who just need some kind of side income, or want some side of side income just to support themselves. And knowing that this is a method that most people will be able to execute, obviously with some assistance at first, then I decided to create this YouTube channel just to share what I learned, what I've experienced from bursa specifically, because like I mentioned earlier, there's not much resources for day trading in bursa. And since I came out of free resources, right, I studied free resources, so I wanted to pay forward and provide some sort of resource that people who want to jump into the stock market can refer to. And one thing led to another. I decided, why not start a trading group as well, so that I can build a tight-knit community and we can have more one-to-one interaction with each other. And I feel like that is an important part of trading, because it can get quite lonely sometimes when most people do not understand what you're trying to say. So I created Zen Trading Academy just to create a space where we can all just nerd out and talk about trading, right? Where everybody understands what you're saying, where you can properly express yourself in case you did something good or in case you wanted to share your mistakes. And obviously YouTube is not going to bring me enough money to compare to day trading. So this is purely my effort to put out something that you can learn from and refer to. And one more important thing is that due to the nature of our industry revolving around a lot of money, right? So scams are very, very prevalent. So I wanted to grow some sort of a brand where people could trust, just so that it can break the stigma of this industry is a scam. I wanted to build a very authentic, very transparent, very real brand, just so that people are more comfortable jumping into the market, because there is so much potential and that the opportunities are here for people who are willing to work for it. Now on to my goals for 2021. I took some time to sit down and try to think, what do I want to achieve in 2021? So the easiest and most quantifiable things are, I want to hit 1 million in net profits in 2021 from day trading. And I also want to get this account up to 100,000 by the end of the year. Obviously, I'm not going to get there just by posting educational content. So I do plan to ramp up the content in the lifestyle department, more like vlogs and my day-to-day life, how I trade while working full-time. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss that. I'm planning to ramp it up through the first half of this year, try my best to put in more effort every single week so that I can put out more content for you guys to enjoy. So besides that, I also want to grow my trading group to over 1,000 members. And of that 1,000 members, I want to help 5 of you, okay? 5 of you to be consistently profitable on your own, okay? I want to help 5 of you reach a stage where you can trade without my help. In terms of fulfillment, that will be the best feeling, knowing that you help somebody actually improve their life. And the most important of all, I want to make sure everyone around me is happy and have everything they need to do well in life. As cliche as this sounds, it's not about how much you make, it's about how you spend your money, right? So those are my goals for 2021. Hopefully you have some big goals too. Let's put in all our effort in 2021. Get up from 2020, because it can only get better from here. If you like this new style of video, please help me hit the like button and let me know in the comments below. If I get 20 likes on this video, I'll know that you guys want more of this face-to-face kind of content. I'll try to ramp up my vlog game. So thank you all for watching as usual. Make sure you're in the Discord group. It's free to join, first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.